Okay, so today what we're going to do is use the skill creator skill that comes default with Claude Desktop, and we're going to create a brand style guide basically and a skill related to that. So it's going to be pretty simple. So what we start with is we go skill creator or slash skill creator because we want to run that, and we'll let that run. And we'll just wait for it to start up. And what we're going to do is feed it some information, and basically let it create a skill for us that we can use in the future to keep things on brand with our particular Instagram posts and our posts to any other social media. So let's just describe to Claude exactly what I want to do. What I want to do is create a skill that can be used to keep all my social media posts on brand. Here is an example of my logo. Please extract the colors from it to use in all styles, and ask me other questions to define my brand guide. Now I've just going to get that image, so I'm just going to pause the video and grab that just a moment. Okay, so what I've done is actually add my company logo to, unfortunately it's not showing the full logo there, but basically I've uploaded that to Claude. It's asking for a high resolution image, but I think it'll work fine with this. So let's run this. I may actually pause this because it may just take a little while. Okay, it's not taking too long. Basically it's picked out the colors easily enough, and it's going to ask me a bunch of questions, so let's have a look and see what it does. What is the primary vibe and tone of Thirsty IT social content? I'd go professional and trustworthy. It'd be the one for that. I'm mainly speaking to small business owners. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Let's go those. Submit that. Now this is all incredibly easy, so I'll be interested to see what it comes up with. A few more questions here. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, how do you captions normally? Nah, I'd say 1 to 2 paragraphs would be my average. 2 posts, typically, yes, always end with a call to action. A few to add energy. We want some emojis in our brand. So let's see. A few visual style and a couple of content rules. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, what visual style? I think bold and graphic sounds good. Brand voice. I think we always speak directly to the user. Are there any topics or phrases we never talk about? No, I think so. I don't think so. No, quite happy for that. Let's pause this and just see what we come up with. Okay, so that didn't take too long. Basically, it's created this skill, keep things on brand. It's actually pretty cool. So I picked out the colors, no problems. Has a distinct visual style, a carousel slide style, YouTube shorts, tone and voice. This is really good. It's actually saying don't overhype, which is really, really important. Says this is actually really good, and I haven't put a lot of input into it. It's been quite easy. Has picked out some of the stuff that I've used previously, like the attention, interest, desire, action style framework. That's pretty cool. It actually looks like it's referred to some of the stuff I've done earlier, which I'm fine with. Perhaps not exactly what I wanted, but I'm quite happy with it. Let's test it out. Okay, I'll just get ready to test it out. We'll pause this for the moment. Okay, so just by pressing save on the actual the chat window, it's actually saved it nicely into our skills and customization. So Thirsty IT brand guide is there. Let's test it out. We'll go back and we'll go back to chat. I don't think we need to use code for this, so let's try Slash thirsty IT brand died. Okay. Just wait for him to think his way through it. Okay. Would you like to create? Okay. Let's go create carousel. Let's think of the topic. Okay, we'll make it about how automated AI content can save hours every week for small business owners on content creation without sacrificing quality. Make this in a consistent brand manner with skill. Save the carousel images to the project folder. Okay, we'll try that and see how we go. Let me pause this just while we create these slides. Okay, so the process is finished. It's created a bunch of carousels. Interesting thing is it actually used a number of the other skills in order to create this information. But basically, this all looks pretty good. It's used the styles. Let's actually, where the rubber meets the road is what the actual slides look like. Let's have a look at one. Just wait for that to open. Now that looks pretty good. I probably would have. Now it's copied the brand colours, which is great. It's got a swipe button. Get your hours back. Okay, so that's pretty good. I maybe would have chosen a change of colours, and I'd make this make that blue and make the background white. But that's not a bad first attempt. Let's have a look at slide 2. That's interesting. It's actually reversed the colour. I actually like that better. But yeah, I like it. To be honest, it's a lot better than I could have done myself as a graphic designer. So, well, as a graphic design, I'm not particularly good at graphic design myself, but this is good. I probably should have fed it some images to actually use within the slides themselves. Let's look at the fourth one. Yep. Yeah, this I'm not so keen on 0 hours spending. That's perhaps not the best graphic, but that's okay. So look at slide 5. Yeah, I like that. I think this is really good. Really impressed by the output. Just basically on a one skill and something I've created in a matter of less than 10 minutes. Really impressive. I mean, there's no problem. What we can do obviously is iterate. Let's say maybe pick a couple of stock images to add to 2 of the slides for visual called integrity, for want of a better word. See if it'll do that. I'll just be interested to know if it actually will do that. I know Claude in Chrome can find this sort of information. Let's just pause this while it has a think through it. It's actually quite successful. It's actually found 2 without too much trouble. Quite impressive, really, that it can access the web and pull back information quite easily. Let's just while it completes this. One of the interesting things Claude does is thought process. Basically, here it's actually correcting itself. It's saying the image is rendering, but it's overlapping the body text. And it's actually going to fix that for us, which is pretty cool for an inanimate object. I mean, it's quite clever. Let's see if we've got this complete. I'll just pause this while we complete this. Okay, we ended up with a really interesting result. Basically, it said here that the network sandbox blocks external image hosts like Unsplash and Pexel, so I can't actually pull actual stock photos from here. Anyway, let's see what it actually did get us. So the first one, it's created a computer-generated one, which looks pretty good, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's close it. Let's have a look at the other one. Just wait for that to load. It's a little slow. Okay, I can't really see an image there, but maybe there's a bit of gradient change. I'm not sure. What's it saying? I can swap in an image is what it's trying to tell me. A little less than I would have liked, but probably the best way to get around that would be to build a skill that can download images. I'm not going to do that in this video, maybe in the next one, but that's where we're at. We've created a bunch of slides, created a skill from a skill, which I think is a pretty amazing functionality. I was quite impressed how Claude thought through the solution. If it was a student, I'd give it a B+ or an A, really. I mean, it's pretty good. So, look, I'll just leave it at that, but yeah, let's leave it at that, and I won't upload this skill because it's a brand guide for my own business, and the creator skill is available with desktop Claude as a default, but this is how to use it. Anyway, thank you very much.